From version 5.0 onwards, it will be possible to test most Windows desktop applications with our new QF Test Windows engine. This includes Windows apps, .NET-based WPF or Windows Forms applications, and classical Windows 32 applications. If you are already used to QF Test, you won't have any problem to work with the Windows engine. The basic workflow didn't change. Component recognition, nodes, records, and replay work as known. Additionally, it is not necessary to start your Windows application out of QF Test, like with the previous engines. By using the Attach to Windows Applications node, QF Test is able to connect to any program that is already running. Simply enter the window title, or any regular expression matching it, and continue to run your test as usual. The technical background and further information for testing Windows applications can be found in the manual. Alternatively, you can apply for a free trial on our website and try interacting with your application using QF Test. Also, if you're having issues or questions that the manual cannot answer, please contact our support. We look forward to hearing from you.